Welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making pumpkin bread, so let's take a break and bake. November time where we get to be with family, celebrate the holidays, eat a lot of good food, play board games with our second cousins and argue over the rules, and get cold every other week. Why do so many people like this month? Okay, so like I said in the intro, we are making pumpkin bread. But this bread recipe can also be used for banana bread, strawberry bread, and almost any kind of fruit you want. Just replace the pumpkin with it. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and share this video with all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, now let's bake that pumpkin bread. The ingredients you need are 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 cup of oil, 2 cups of pumpkin, 4 eggs, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The first step to making this pumpkin bread is adding in all of our dry ingredients into a really large bowl. We're gonna add our flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda. Whisk this really well so everything is thoroughly combined. Okay, so we now have mixed all of our dry ingredients together, and what we're gonna do is grab another large bowl and put all of our wet ingredients in there to make our wet mixture. We're gonna have to add our pumpkin, eggs, and our oil all into this bowl and mix them together. Then after that, we'll add them into our dry ingredients. And now it's time to mix it up. As you can see, this batter makes 3 loaves of pumpkin bread, and it's so good. Thanksgiving is coming up, so you have to share your food with everybody. It's just kind of what people do, I guess. So this one you can keep for yourself. This one you can give to your neighbors that you really don't talk to. And then for all those husbands out there, you can take this one to your mother-in-law and pass it off like you made it, even though your wife did. Okay, so you know I'm joking, but you have 3 loaves in this batter, so you can do whatever you want with it. But right now it's time to put in the oven at 350 for 1 hour or longer. You just want to make sure that it's all cooked. You don't want any raw batter. We just pulled the pumpkin bread out of the oven and it looks so good. The outside has a nice brown fall leaf color, so now we better try it and see how it tastes. This is so good. It definitely has that softness, that denseness, and that perfect pumpkin flavor. This is great for any holiday, but it's really great for these holidays coming up. Remember, you can replace the pumpkin with bananas or strawberries or whatever you feel like. Thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I'm so glad I was able to make this bread for you guys, and it tastes so good. Like always, don't forget to check out the description box below, because there's things like the links to my website where there's a store built in where you get anything I use in this video. There's also links to my social medias down there. You want to make sure that you follow me there so that you can get the special Saturday posts that I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to everyone you know. And then don't forget to subscribe. Click on one of these 2 videos right here. This one YouTube thinks I really enjoy, but what do they know? I think I know a little bit more about my subscribers. So check out this video. So click on one of these. Don't forget to click this little icon right here so you can subscribe to my channel. All right, have a great day.